So every year on Valentine's Day, I get my girlfriend a bouquet of fast food. A 20-piece chicken nuggets. She told me pretty early on when we first started dating that she did not like bouquets of flowers. So I decided to make bouquets of anything I could think of. Enter me making a sock bouquet and then coming up with a brilliant idea to make a fast food bouquet. So I just ordered a pizza. I just picked up a bunch of chicken nuggets, french fries, and little burgers from McDonald's. Thank you. I got these dessert ball things from Taco Bell that she likes. I'm gonna put them on some of the sticks. Earlier I asked my girlfriend, hey, like, have you eaten lunch yet? And she was like, not yet. I'm gonna take it at 1:30, and right now it is 1:25, so we are hustling to pick up the pizza. Okay, I've now acquired all of the items for the fast food bouquet. I just have to get to her work because here's the thing. There's a very narrow window between the time that you purchase fast food and the time when fast food no longer tastes good. So I'm trying to get to her work as fast as possible. I'm gonna meet her coworker in the parking lot. I'm gonna put together the bouquet and then we'll give it to her and see what she says. All right, I'm putting the hamburgers in here. We got our pizza. This is the magic. This is what it looks like. Oh my God. We've got cookies, burger, fries, donuts. Happy Valentine's Day! Oh, yummy. What do you think?
About to go into a food coma, that's nice.
Yeah.